The countdown is over and we are good to go. Bench players. Oh, ball in, beautifully done. Kamran Akmal was looking just a wee bit rusty and that ball has gone through his defense. Oh, that is muscle. Wow. It's Imam Ulaq. That's gone sliced for four.
He's gone. Sikandar Raza has struck. And he's got another wicket. That has gone straight through Madsen. That is a beautiful piece of bowling. Flighted, dipped and turned. Beautiful bowling by the Zimbabwean. Got him! What a delivery that is. Imad Wasim. Nicely played. Imam's going to get a couple here. Very few threes run on this ground, and that's the 50 up.
Oh, that is it. 6 just about makes it, just about does the distance.
That's his 50. Imam ul Haq, his first 50, and he's played well for these runs. 50 from 38. Shanwari, that's gone straight up in the air. The bowler will take it. Room service on a plate. Circle. Bowled in. Going for a big hoik across the line. Oh, he's chipped in straight to deep mid-wicket. All the way in. That's the wrong decision. Oh, that's really bad luck.
Going to pick it up together, and he's lost the pill. So, Yamin, has he got it together?
Kind of decision. Looks like it's out. Yep. He's gone down the ground. He's going to get 6 to finish.
154 from 120 balls then. Oh, that's close. That is close. Finger is up. And result for Hassan Ali. Oh, Weasley played. It was all about balance. Real quality from the left-hander. His shuffle across, chance of a run out, direct hit, and he is gone. Fingers light up. Hassan Ali is on fire. Caught behind, under edge. The left-hander has been removed from the seam. Ingram is staying the course. He's at the crease.
Oh, yeah, Gutskin! Lights are on and no one's home. Ingram's got to go here.
Oh, he's knocked him over. Sikandar Raza's painful stay comes to an end.
That's big into the gap and 4. So it's not worked so far for the Kings. Not been able to gain the field. Just 10 fours in the innings. 100 comes up. Is it out? Is it out? Very good catch, I think. Who is it? And brilliant toe. And gets his 4th. Gets his 4th.
Thoroughly deserved. Oh, hello. Oh, there's another good low catch. Celebration time here.
It'll be the only innings in HBL PSL history that a team has not gone for a 6 in the entire quota of their 20 overs.